This video will explore the physical limits of conduction, focusing on high-field carrier dynamics and saturation velocity constraints. We are going to examine what happens to device conductivity when solid-state devices are subjected to extreme electrical stress, pushing beyond standard operation. At low electric fields, conduction perfectly obeys Ohm's law. Carrier mobility acts as a constant, meaning the electric field and carrier drift velocity scale linearly. With low electrical stress, carriers move through the crystal unimpeded, navigating the lattice with smooth kinetic acceleration. Under normal conditions, standard mobility is determined by temperature and doping, governed by lattice and impurity scattering interactions. As the electric field intensifies beyond 10 cubed V per centimeter, high field effects emerge, making the standard equations obsolete. When this boundary is crossed, the strict linear relationship begins to break down. Velocity no longer scales endlessly with the increasing electric field. Under extreme electrical fields, the kinetic energy from the accelerating carrier is instead dumped directly into the crystal structure itself. This results in intense, scattering interactions that cap forward momentum. High-energy carriers undergo a continuous cycle of acceleration, lattice scattering, and reset, preventing further velocity buildup. The carriers reach a scattering-limited saturation velocity, VSAT. Their forward speed flattens, remaining near the material's mean thermal velocity regardless of higher electrical stress. Saturation velocity enforces a nearly constant electrical current. Since carrier velocity cannot increase beyond VSAT, the resulting current flow remains steady even if the electric field is pushed higher. This table summarizes the physical boundaries of carrier dynamics, distinguishing between the low field and high field regimes based on governing rules and energy transfer. High field saturation demonstrates that linear equations cannot scale infinitely. Carrier movement is fundamentally constrained by the crystal, placing absolute boundaries on device performance. The physical journey progresses from linear conduction to intense scattering, ultimately leading to a saturated velocity state that limits current. Thank you for watching this video on the physical limits of conduction.